Welcome back to this week's market update. This week, we are looking at the latest developments in gold, silver, in the wider precious metals market. Gold entered the second half of 2026 in a period of consolidation. Investors continued to weigh improving economic conditions against persistent inflation and changing expectations around monetary policy. Last week, weaker U.S. employment and manufacturing data reduced expectations of additional Federal Reserve tightening. At the same time, easing inflation in the eurozone and stronger economic activity in China and Japan supported a more balanced global outlook. Equity markets advanced, Treasury yields moved slightly higher. Meanwhile, both the U.S. dollar and oil prices weakened, providing modest support for precious metals. After an exceptionally volatile first half of the year, gold appears to be trading near levels that reflect expectations of moderate global growth, easing but still elevated inflation, and only limited additional central bank tightening. Under this outlook, gold is expected to remain largely range-bound in the near term. However, renewed global uncertainty, weaker economic growth, or a shift toward more accommodative monetary policy could support another upward move. On the other hand, stronger growth and rising yields may place further pressure on prices. Even so, analysts expect bargain-hunting demand to emerge should gold decline by more than 10% from current levels. A key source of long-term support continues to come from central banks. Official sector purchases totaled a net 41 tons in May. The purchases were led by Poland, China, Uzbekistan, and Kazakhstan. The World Gold Council also reported that 89% of central banks expect global gold reserves to increase over the next year. A record 45% also expect to expand their own holdings. Silver experienced similar short-term price pressure. However, strong industrial demand from renewable energy, electronics, and technology sectors continues to support its long-term outlook. This reinforces the positive long-term fundamentals across the precious metals market. That concludes this week's market update. For more insights on precious metals, global markets, and long-term wealth preservation, subscribe to SWP Cayman and follow us for future updates.